Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to use how come in English.
Hey, Bri,
Yeah,
how come you have a gun?
I don't know.
How come I'm the only one wearing an apron?
You've probably heard native speakers say it, but what does it mean and how is it different from why? Let's break it down. How come is an informal way to ask why something happened. It's commonly used in spoken English and sounds more casual than why. For example, how come you're late means why are you late? Or how come she didn't call you? Why didn't she call you? How come you don't like the pizza? Why don't you like the pizza? One key difference between how come and why is the word order in a sentence. Why follows the usual question format using auxiliary verbs like do and did. Like, why did she leave early? Or why don't you like coffee? But how come acts differently. It keeps the structure of a regular statement instead of a typical question. That means no auxiliary verbs. How come she left early? Not how come did she leave early? So remember that after how come, the sentence follows normal word order, just like a statement. There is no need for auxiliary verbs like did, have, or do. So when to use how come? Use how come in everyday conversations. When you talk to your neighbors and to your friends. How come you're not coming to the party? How come it's so cold today? But remember that how come is informal and best suited for spoken English, while why is better for professional and academic context. So use why in academic and business context and in writing, and use how come in your everyday life. That's it for today. If the video was useful, you know what to do. See you in the next videos.